Child support, right? One of the biggest things a lot of people are facing issues with. Well, did you know that child support is actually fraudulent, and that if you don't enroll into the program, see, you have to enroll in child support. You're not supposed to be in child support without enrolling in the program. And guess what? Who provided your social security number? The social security number is the key piece of information that is needed for child support to work. So if you didn't provide your social, if you didn't enroll in the program, sounds to me like somebody stole your identity. And this is what the child support deletion letter does. You're sending this letter directly to the child support agency, not to the consumer reporting agency, directly to the child support agency, and you're going to demand a cease and desist and have them verify, validate, and prove that this alleged child is yours and or the alleged debt. And that's how we're going to get child support deleted.